Hi, I'm Naomi from Mimiwraps. Lana, you want to say hi? Say hi, toddler or baby in a back carry using your Mimiwraps baby carrier. This is my daughter Lana, 2.5 years old. She weighs about 12 kilo and she'll be our model today. So this is your Mimiwraps baby carrier. We have wide shoulder straps and then we have thin waist straps. In order to put your baby on your back, you're going to start by putting the waist straps around your waist and tying in a double knot. For a smaller baby, you'll want to tie up higher. At this point, you'll now grab your adorable baby or toddler. Ready? Wow, there we go. Okay. Now we lift up the panel over you and over your child's back and pull tight and make sure that it's up high. Yeah. One strap goes between your leg, and then the other one you're going to pull tight. Goes over baby's leg and under the other one. And then put that strap between your legs. Then take the other shoulder strap, pull it tight, and it goes over baby's leg and under. I'm tying in a double knot. You can either bunch up the shoulder straps or you can keep them wide. And there you go. Lana, you want to say hi? Say bye. 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 Yeah.